In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Binance Launchpool and Launchpad efficiently. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your crypto knowledge, understanding how to leverage these tools can be incredibly beneficial for your investments. So let's dive in. First things first, you need to log into your Binance account. This is your gateway to the world of Binance's specialized financial products, including the Launchpool and Launchpad. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. Ensure that your login credentials are safe and secure, and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Once you're logged in, navigate through the menu until you find Launchpad and Launchpool. If you're unable to see it right away, don't worry. Simply tap on More in the main menu to access it. Binance often updates its interface, so it's good to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, when using the launch pool, your goal is to select a farming pool and stake your tokens. Binance supports a variety of tokens, but for this purpose, you might want to start with BNB as it's one of the most popular choices. Staking your tokens in the launch pool allows you to earn new cryptocurrency tokens over time. It's like getting rewarded for the tokens you already hold without having to spend them. Switching gears to the Launchpad, it's all about subscribing to token sales. Here, you will need to hold Binance's native token, BNB. The more BNB you hold, the more likely you'll be able to participate in these new and exciting token sales. It's important to note that participating in these sales doesn't mean you're purchasing the tokens immediately, but rather gaining a share in the token allocation based on your BNB holdings. As you engage with these products, you'll earn rewards over time. The fantastic part about Binance's offerings is that you can claim these rewards at any time. Keeping track of your earnings can also help you understand better the benefits of staking and participating in token sales. Finally, one of the flexible features of Binance's platform is the ability to unstake your tokens whenever you choose. Unlike some other platforms where staking is a long-term commitment, here you have the freedom to withdraw your tokens without incurring any penalties. This flexibility allows you to manage and adapt your cryptocurrency investments as market conditions change or as your financial strategies evolve. By following these steps, you can maximize the use of Binance's Launchpool and Launchpad to further your investment journey. Remember to keep updated on Binance's new listings and changes to rules or interfaces as the crypto world is ever evolving. Happy investing.